Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know you have seen a lot of video of egusi soup, a lot of method of doing egusi soup, but this one is the bank, this one is the hit. So without me talking too much and wasting much of your time, let's get into the video. So here are the ingredients I'm going to be using for this delicious soup. That is my beef. You can use any protein of your choice. Oziza leaf, I'm using 2 leaf, Oziza and ugu. Stockfish, cow skin, cheese pomo, Maggi seasoning, crayfish, salt, dry fish. Then I'm using shombo and atarudo, which is scotch bonnet. So here is egusi. So the next process is to boil my protein, which I'll be putting it inside my pot. Add the seasoning, the salt and onions. I'll add in a little bit of Benny Maggi. I'll mix it, cover it and allow it to boil on its own juice before adding in any water. Here now, my cow skin is not that strong, so I'll be adding it now. Then I'll add water that can cook the both of them till tender. So it's time to introduce the dry fish, because the dry fish is strong, so I'll be boiling it too. So I'll allow that to cook while I prepare my egusi. So here is my already blended egusi. I'll be adding in water, mix it to paste. So here I'll put my pot on stove, add in my palm oil. I will not allow the oil to bleach, but it will be hot. So I'll add in onions. If you don't like onions, you can skip this part. So I'll allow that to fry a little bit. So it's time to add in the egusi paste. So you allow it to be frying, but please not on a high heat. So I'll continue to mix. Continue to mix it until everything is well fried. This will take you for like 10 minutes before everything gets well fried. You can see. So I'll be adding in my pepper mix. I'll mix that together and still give it a little bit of time before adding in anything liquid. So it's now time to pour in all my protein. Like I said, you can use any protein of your choice. I'll add in my stock fish. It's already been boiled. Then I'll add in my spice, that is crayfish, Maggi seasoning, and salt. Then I'll add in a little bit of water to loosen it. Mix everything together. So I'll now add water. You can add water depending on how you want it, thick or light. So after adding the water, I'll cover it and allow it to boil for some minutes before adding in the vegetables. Here it is well boiled. Everything have come together. All the ingredients is well cooked. Time for us to add in the vegetable. Firstly, I'll add in the uziza leaf. Then I'll add in the ugu leaf. At this point, we are done with the soup. I'll mix it, cover it, and allow it to boil for some seconds. And we are done. The food is ready to be eaten with any swallow of your choice. You can take it with pounded yam, fufu, gari, any swallow of your choice. I have mine with pounded yam. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new video, and share my video. To our returning subscriber, thank you so much. See you all in my next one. Bye.